Ladies and gentlemen, what an incredible journey it's been. From the day we planted our very first seedling in June 2023, Nyero Eco Resort has blossomed into a thriving haven of natural beauty and serenity. Step by step, tree by tree, we've transformed this land into a lush, one-of-a-kind jungle upcoming resort. Where nature thrives and visitors will find peace and inspiration. We've nurtured over 2,000 trees, created a stunning natural pool, and built luxurious accommodations, all while staying true to our eco-friendly and community-centered values. The Nyero Rock Paintings now stand amidst a vibrant landscape that honors the rich history and the stunning beauty of our surroundings. This journey has been about more than just building a resort. It's about creating a legacy of sustainability, community, and breathtaking experiences. We've seen the power of nature in full bloom, and we're only just getting started. Thank you to everyone who's been part of this remarkable transformation. The future is bright, and the best is yet to come.